taken by the words that you say. The voice that carries them has kept me.
How you express yourself is as important as what you express, and it's especially important in a disagreement. To communicate properly in disagreements, use the following tips. Avoid you statements. They sound accusatory and can escalate tension. Avoid absolute terms like always, never, and every time. Assume the other person always acts badly and ignores any good behavior they do exhibit. Avoid judgment statements. They make the person's actions into their identity. Instead of judgment statements, focus on the person's actions. Use I statements. They let you express yourself without sounding confrontational. Use we statements. We statements create a sense of teamwork and let the other person know that you are humble and willing to grow as well. Tonight I am going to study for this exam. I'm going to ace it and ace that class. Hey, Esabelle, party at my house tonight. You coming? For sure. Great, I'll see you there. Saying no can be tough. When you have to say no, follow this process. It means a lot to me to make good grades and maintain my scholarships, and tomorrow's test is really important. I'm sorry, I really can't make it tonight. I just have too much to do in the way of studying. Could we get together some other time this week? Okay, well, I'll see you sometime this week then. Bye! Did you know how you respond to someone's good news is as important as how you respond to bad? Psychology recognizes 4 basic types of response to good news. Hey, look what I got on my essay. Oh, cool. Hey, look what I got on my essay. Really? Even with how little you pay attention in class? Hey, look what I got on my essay. Oh, there you are. Do you have a pencil I could borrow? Hey, look what I got on my essay. That's great. You deserve it after all that research. Nonverbal communication is an important component of sending and receiving messages. When people like one another, they will subconsciously start to mimic their posture and bodily movement. So to determine if someone likes you, observe whether they copy you. It can work the other way too. To increase someone's liking of you, imitate their body language.